Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install various gadgets onto your Windows 11 desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. And I'm going to have a link to this page in the description of the video. It's called EGadget Pack. On the right side underneath gadgets included, you can see a variety of different gadgets you're going to have here. And there's a whole list of them. You can see which ones you'll be able to have access to. So go ahead and select the download button. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the setup file. It should say welcome to the EGadget Pack Setup Wizard. Go ahead and select install. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. So once that's done, keep it checkmark where it says show gadgets when setup exits and select finish. And now at this point on the right side, you should have a whole bunch of items here you can go ahead and modify. If you hook the little larger size, you can adjust how big you want the icons to be. And if you select options, you click on that. You can adjust different options with how it's displayed here. You can adjust the city location here as well. If you want to add weather, you can do that too. And something else as well, if you click the little plus sign up at the top, you can add gadgets. And then like I said, you have a whole variety of different gadgets you can add. So pretty neat, and you can scroll over and see more pages of ads, of extensions. So pretty cool there. You just would select whatever you want to add and just double click on it. And you can see it would be listed up here. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.